discussing about the Java buzzwords. Let's start. So, what is Java buzzwords? We all know that Java is the most popular object oriented programming language, and behind its popularity, there are many features of Java, and these advanced features collectively known as Java buzzwords. Yes, a list of key features of Java is known as Java buzzwords. The Java team has listed the following terms as Java buzzwords. Let's discuss some of the Java buzzwords or some of the advanced features of Java. The first one is simple, secure, portable, object oriented, robust, architecture neutral or platform independent, multi threaded, interpreted, high performance, distributed, dynamic. So let's discuss with our first thing, that is simple. Java programming language is very simple and easy to learn, understand and code. In a Java programming language, many complicated features like pointers, operator overloading, structures, union, etc. have been removed. One of the most useful features is the garbage collector. It makes Java more simple. The second one is secure. Java is said to be more secure programming language because it does not have pointer concept. Java provides a feature applet which can be embedded into a web application. The applet in Java does not allow access to other parts of the computer, which keeps away from harmful programs like viruses and unauthorized access. The third one is portable. Portability is one of the core features of Java which enables the Java programs to run on any computer or operating system. For example, an applet developed using Java runs on a wide variety of CPUs, operating systems and browser connected to the internet. Next one is object oriented. Java is said to be pure object oriented programming language. In Java, everything is an object. Everything just revolves around the object. It supports all the features of the object oriented programming paradigm. The primitive data types Java also implemented as objects using wrapper class, but still it allows primitive data types to achieve high performance. Next one is robust. Java is more robust because the Java code can be executed on a variety of environments. Java has a strong memory management mechanism, that is garbage collector. Java is a strictly typed language. It has a strong set of exception handling mechanism and many more things that makes Java robust. Architecture neutral or platform independent. Java has invented to achieve write once, run anywhere, anytime, forever. The Java provides JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine, to achieve architecture neutral or platform independent. The JVM allows the Java program created using one operating system can be executed on any other operating system. Next is multi-threaded. Java supports multi-threading programming which allows us to write programs that do multiple operations simultaneously. Next is interpreted. Java enables the creation of cross-platform programs by compiling into an intermediate representation called Java bytecode. The bytecode is interpreted to any machine code so that it runs on the native machine. Next is high performance. Java provides high performance with the help of features like JVM, interpretation and its simplicity. Next is distributed. Java programming language supports TCP/IP protocol. which enable the Java to support the distributed environment to the internet. Java also support remote method invocation, that is RMI. This feature enables a program to invoke methods across a network. Next is dynamic. Java is said to be dynamic because the Java bytecode may be dynamically updated on a running system, and it has a dynamic memory allocation and deallocations, that is object and garbage collector. So these are the Java buzzwords. Thank you.